is that we take God of name, beg our leaders to clear our oga and to go to the primary. We ready for primary. We don't afraid.
So how many of you are ready for the primaries? All the 16?
All the 16 local governments. All Ekiti State. It's not only we. All Ekiti State. We need primary. And we don't want anybody to spoil our voters, Baba Tinubu. Because we ready to vote for Baba. Full vote in Ekiti State for Baba Tinubu, and Baba Tinubu, when he see our voters, he will surprise. We Ekiti totally support Engineer Kayode Ojo and Baba Tinubu.
So you are ready for the outcome of
100%.
Your name again?
My name is Chief Mrs. Bolanle Owolabi. From Ekiti State.
Abereniola who?
Abereniola Mercy from Ekiti State.
So why are you here?
We are here because of Engineer Kayode Ojo Olubumi.
What has happened to Engineer Kayode Ojo Olubumi?
We wanted Engineer Kayode Ojo Olubumi to be our next governor in Ekiti State. And people of Ekiti State, they are ready for him. They are ready for him to work for him, especially the day of his declaration in Ekiti State. In fact, a lot of people that are coming to that declaration. So that is the reason why we are here today. That is the reason why we are here today. So to let the national knows what we are passing through in Ekiti State, that all Ekiti people, we need Engineer Kayode Ojo to be our next governor in 2026, because he's a man of honesty, he's a man of loyalty, he's a man of accountability, he's a man of perspective. So that because of this, people are ready for him. People love him to work for him to be our next governor in Ekiti State.
There is a consensus, but we understand there is a consensus.
No, there is no consensus, and we don't want any consensus in Ekiti State.
So what do you want?
We need primary. We want our Engineer Kayode Ojo to go for primary because people are ready for him. People are ready for him, and people love him. People love him. People like him. So we don't want any consensus.
Okay.
Yes. So what do you want the party to do?
What I want this party to do, especially our leader that are in national, we want Engineer Kayode to be our next governor, and we don't want any consensus. We need primary.
We want the power. Ekiti people are going through.
There is no road. There is no good road construction in Ekiti State. No tap water. Even though no free education in Ekiti State. Even the money that they are giving to our incumbent governor from the national is doing it lavishly. So he did not use the money accordingly. So people that are not from the party, they are the people that are collecting money. They are the one that are collecting money from him. So because of this, people of Ekiti reject bow, and people of Ekiti need Engineer Kayode Ojo to be our next governor in Ekiti State.
Yes. So you are ready for consensus?
No, we don't ready for consensus.
Yes. We are ready for primary.
Yes, we ready for primary. My name is Lasisi Adeyemi from Ekiti State.
Lasisi Adeyemi.
Yes.
So why are you here today?
I'm here because of Engineer Kayode Ojo.
This is covering your face.
I'm here because of we don't want disqualification on Engineer Kayode Ojo during in APC at the national. We don't want disqualification on Engineer Kayode Ojo. We don't want consensus in Ekiti State. We want primary in Ekiti State.
Thank you.
We don't want to fight alone. We want we don't want
Ojo. On the